Yeah. Oh, shouter. You can get it. Let's go to McDonald's, girl. You can get it. You can get a Big Mac. You can get cheeseburger. You can get a chicken nugget, girl. Get some barbecue sauce. I don't like that honey mustard. Your girlfriend or your boyfriend, I don't know what you date. You bisexual? I heard you eat cake. Or yeah, do that thing, swag on them, girl. I love the way you swag. Look at your hair and nails. Y'all, you can get it. 5'4". Y'all already know when you step in the door. I had to do that thing like I'm from N.O. You don't never say N.O. It's like Y-E-S. Yes, you the best. I don't got to put you to the test because you ain't nothing like the rest. INDPENDENT. Girl, that's you all day. Where you stay? I'm on the west side. Eating hot fries. Chilling outside. Tattoos on. Ain't on swag, jigging on your boyfriend, cause that's your baby daddy. I don't know if that's your baby daddy. I don't care. I don't care about your boyfriend. Swag, jig, jig, jig.